Hi, I'm now going to demonstrate the swing problem. I have a new unit and it's still there, still the same. So let me guide you through how you will get this to appear on your units. Okay. Right, first I do like this. I take a copy of the deep house pattern. Copy it to an empty space. Yes. And from here I'm going to use saw harmony. Let's call it test swing. Okay, great. Test swing, and let's use saw harmony. Right, set it to 1 bar, 0% swing. So now when we have this test swing pattern, first I'll delete all instruments on it just to isolate the problem. We have swing 0%, quantize 116, and we want to use saw harmony sound. Sounds like that. Let's maximize the sounds here. Okay, let's go ahead and record something with saw harmony. Very short notes. Okay, let's try to swing it. Here's the problem. Here the notes get whacked up somehow. Maybe reverse it. Yeah, kind of the same problem at the negative side. Okay, sorry for my shaking video, shaky hands. Here you have the pattern editor, ARQ editor, and let's try the same thing here. We have quantize 0%. Let's bring it up. Bring the swing. This note is it. So you see, when I make it, maybe it's something to do with the length of the note and also maybe the velocity, I don't know, but it's still there, as you can hear. This one is still long, but when I change the duration is correct. So it has to do with very short notes, this problem. Try to... Here, now you got this too. But when I replace that one with a 32 note, it works alright. So it has to do with very short notes. So now maybe you can get it. You can see it on your units as well. Okay, thanks for me. Bye.